Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now we're going to the Timberland store because I'm wearing Air Force One.
No.
It's like kind of side. When his lens falls out in the snow.
Oh, my hands are frozen.
Bruh, how'd we find them?
Are you ready for this? Oh, that hurt.
Guys, so these are the ones I'm trying on right now. They're the blacks, they're massive. Look at them compared to my face. So, see how they look. So right now she's bringing me 11 and a half because no. So I wear 13s like normal shoes, but the boots run big. So with my new Timbs. Oh,
They look so good.
they're pretty lit. So right now, we're walking to TJ Maxx because I don't have any gloves or a hat or like really anything. The Timberlands were like my first step into the winter season. So Patagonia was not a success. So we're all going to TJ Maxx now.
TJ Maxx is honestly such a flex. Hey vlog.
First look, but I'm not a Patriots fan, so fake fan. The look, I'm not gonna lie. So, we're in a little shopping experience. We came here for gloves and we're all like getting jackets. But this jacket's really nice. I really like it. Call me Flex. But we'll see if I get it. Because there's a lot of jackets. So. Okay, so I'm getting this Tommy jacket. We're going downstairs right now to check it out. And the others are still trying stuff on. I have my winter jacket. I have my Timbs. Still need gloves and a hat. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but we'll see. Currently we're in Urban. I don't know why we're here. Oh, hats. They're gonna have hats for sure. But if they don't have hats, I honestly don't even want a hat at this point. I just want gloves because I have hoods and stuff, but my hands get really cold. Bye. Right now we're going to get food because we've been walking and shopping and just like hanging out all day and we're starving and we have no food like at the dorms. Right now. Look at all this snow. Jesus. Hi. Oh, look how pretty it is though. It's so pretty.
I know I am.
Hey guys, it's the next day, and I don't really know what we're gonna do, but Joseph will tell you.
Hey vlog, I'm going away. This is my vlog now. No guys, you have to stay away. Okay, so we're gonna go to like the north end, and we're gonna go to Mike's Pastries, which is a really good pastry place, and then we're gonna go to Quincy Hall. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna run with Roscoe's phone. Let's try to make him find me. Hey Roscoe.
Hi.
Hey Nick.
Can I call you later?
Oh, she's on the phone. Yo, this is such a good angle. Can I be your cameraman? That'd be so lit.
So Joseph told you where we're going.
Oh, I look so bad. Okay, please don't put that in. I'm finally in this vlog.
Hi vlog. But
My vlog. What are you doing?
This is my Instagram.
Bruh, it's a party cam. Oh, it stopped doing it. Roscoe, it stopped. Oh, wait. It's like a party camera. We're gonna have so many clips, Roscoe. Hey, Charlotte.
Hey.
She's finally in it.
Hey guys.
I'm finally in it.
The lighting in here is
This
so
is
good.
Sarah Jones. This is Charlotte, SAV Queen. Selena, PNB Goddess. And
I'm not filming
hi,
any of this.
Boston Ballet.
Bruh, no, come over here.
Geek Selena.
The lighting's so good, Roscoe. Wait, you ready? Yeah, standing next to this.
Okay, what's the plan?
We're going to,
And we're getting
just watch the vlog and you'll know.
Okay.
True, Roscoe. Okay, guys, let's go.
Currently, we're freezing trying to find Mike's Pastries, and no one knows where it is. I've never been here in my life.
Where we are.
I'll give you a little scenery, like what's happening.
Right.
We're fully lost. Are we gonna get kidnapped?
Yeah, I am.
Charlotte's gonna get snatched, so. R.I.P.
Charlotte,
Charlotte.
stay in the center.
We're okay. We just found a full ice skating rink. Okay, you ready? Go.
Okay, that was fun.
We made it.
We made it.
I can't put my hands, but we made it. How is everyone doing right now?
Frozen.
Holy
I forgot what it was called. Can I get a limoncello?
I'm so sorry. Cannoli? It's too much icing.
Okay, currently we're on the lookout for a pizza. We do not.
And all the places are bougie and like the same as us.
Either the places are too bougie or they're closed, or there's just no places. So
There's just none.
I feel like pizza's not the move.
I think it's not.
Change of plans. We're going to Quincy Market.
Yay.
Is it inside?
Me too. I like gift card rice.
Hi, sisters. Ow! My shoe just got like caught in the thing. Yeah. Currently, we're looking for face masks because skin's not looking on fleek.
Not today. I need some of this foundation right here. This is
Johnny Depp
Dior.
Sorry about that, but we can't.
I kind of just got yelled at. I'm not allowed to video the wall. So, this trip has been very successful.
I'm cold. Very cold.
You can see my nose is very red because it's literally like negative something degrees. But now we're going back to the dorms. We're going home to be in our beds and be comfortable with heat, shower. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Sister! Hi. Hey guys, thank you for watching today's video.
Make sure to go like and subscribe
To see our faces every single Monday.
Okay, bye!